Where you going? There's no more food over there. You already ate. Hello. Oh, you just sound so mean. Yes, you do. Yes. Ooh, you almost got a howl. There's no more food over there. No, you already ate. You don't get to eat anymore. My feet are not toys. No. Oh, yeah? What's that? Who's that? Hey, Bentley. No, you sit down. Can you shake for Mommy? Come on. Good boy. Now, lay down. That's a good baby. Yes, you are. Shake again. Sit. No, not lay down. I said sit down.